See you now! The hell? There you go. Watching you and I almost went off the road myself. I got mine going straight now. Oh, dead stick.
Oh, you're fine.
China cleared.
Go.
Go up. And bang. Loud.
It's mainly got like more thrust.
What?
It's got mine. It's got more thrust. And the sound.
No pie.
Oh God, it disappears over there. Holy crap. I can't see it.
That way I can use the post to get up.
Did you have a radio on?
Nope.
Oh, that would explain it. Okay. Mine are up. Oh God, it disappears over there.
Time remaining 3 minutes.
Keon's right here.
Let's do that again.
Okay. Let's turn sooner. We're too far out.
Yeah. Holy cow.
I've not flown this one before.
Oh, okay.
There we go. I know you want to go balls to the
No, I don't. I'm okay. This is actually kind of cool. I'm enjoying it.
Real low.
Okay.
Go back!
I'm catching up,
Time
so.
remaining 2 minutes.
Oh, the fork's taken off again.
Whoa.
There you go.
Jesus, Frank.
I said low!
I know.
Fast!
Fucking fly. Right here, I had a fly land right on my glasses. The fly landed right on me. I don't know what the hell it's doing.
I almost hit the fence.
Jeez. Oh, the thing landed on my glasses and I was walking around. Like, what the heck? Farting plane. What are we doing? Go.
Time remaining 1 minute.
Oh yeah, dude. Ain't no way.
Oh, look at that. Look at that. Oh, yeah. Go fast. Downwind pass.
Momentum. Eye level, fast.
Okay, go.
Before the shot. Go up, roll it a couple of times, and flip.
I'm going to slot in behind you. Because I see Keon there.
High level, center line.
Okay.
Slow.
Slow. Okay.
6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
There we go.
Time expired.
Alright, let's do fast, eye level. I'm going to be center line.
Okay. This is the last pass for me.
Yeah. Fair. Good on.
Sorry.
Sorry, not sorry.
Alright, I gotta land. Sorry. Almost cut you off there.
No, I almost cut you off.
Gear down.
Landing from the left.
I'm gonna escort you down.
The only downside to this setup is I got less flight time. But it's got all that punch. You were below me. What the hell? You were below me. Dude. Holy crap. You were actually lower than I was on that approach.
Right there.
Yeah, that's some frank ingenuity there. Crazy guy. Look at that. Very nice.
You could fit your fuselage between his two rudders.
Literally.
Don't test me, Nick. He's giving me ideas already. Landing!
Oh, hey, I got that.
You did?
I thought I missed it. It's awesome.
Nice.
Alright, check your landing if you want to plow key on.
I can do that.
I'm gonna be up for a while.
Yeah, well, you're fine.
I'm able to get mine to land slower now too. It moved the CG back.
Carry your landing. Yeah, I moved my seat. I moved my body as far back as I can get it.
Okay, hold on, here's that.
Let me just taxi back and see the runway.
I don't know what the deal was with that damn